Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. Do you want to know how to install Google News as an application here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop? Then in this video, I'll be teaching you how. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have tapped it, the best match would appear. You need to click on open to continue. You can also double tap to the best match under it and there you would be able to navigate to your Google Chrome. Now, the moment you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser, you just have to wait until the loading process would be done before we proceed, okay? Once everything are set and once everything are here, you need to proceed at the upper right side of the screen where you can see there Gmail images this icon and beside to it you can see there an icon like this which contains Google Apps. So you need to click on it and here you go, you'd be able to see all the applications that is being created or under Google. So all you need to do is you need to scroll down and look for news. So in my case, I don't see my news here aligning to the Google Apps, featured Google Apps. So we need to proceed with more from Google so that we would be able to see all the Google services and products. Okay. Okay, so you would be able to see all of the products under JGugle. We're here. You need to scroll down and look for this option called Jump to Our Products. So click on it to jump to the products under JGoogle. So you can select OK for all if you don't see all of the list that is the products or the services under Google. Okay, so you just have to go with filtered by, click this down arrow, okay, and go with this option called for all. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see all of the products or services under Google. Okay, we just have to select again since it is not being applied for all, and once it is being refreshed it will show you all of the applications under Google. You need to scroll down and look for Google News. I can see it here. Now tap on it and the moment you've tapped on it you would be redirected to the Google News itself. You just have to wait until it is being set or ready for you. So here in the Google News, you would be able to see news about technology, about the country that you are present in or that you have lived in, and about the news internationally, locally, in business, news, and technology, as what I have said earlier, in the entertainment, in the sports, if you love sports, science, or about health and care. So in order to install this and as an application, you need to proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, you need to scroll down and locate your cursor under Cast, Saved, and Share. Now you need to proceed at the left side of that. You can see there an option installed page as app. So click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you just have to wait until a small window would confirm us on our actions. So it's here, go with install to proceed and wait until it will be installed successfully in our windows. So once this window would appear, it means that we have successfully installed our Google News as application. So all you need to do is you need to minimize or close the window as well as the Google Chrome browser. And if we check it here at the desktop or home screen, we can see that the Google News to your taskbar. If you want to pin your Google News to taskbar, you can pin that here at the taskbar. So in my case, I'll be selecting no thanks. Okay. So let's check if it's being added to our settings. So press Windows and I key together to bring up our settings. So we'll check if it's being added or listed under the list of the applications that are present or that we have download and install in our Windows to check if it's being successfully installed. So proceed with apps, and under the apps you need to look for installed apps. Okay, click on it, and the moment you've to click on it, you just have to wait until you are being redirected to the list of the applications that are present in our computer. So it has this loading. You just have to wait until the loading process would be finished before we look for it. But in my case, I have seen it already here in my screen, which is next to Google Chrome. So in this way, it means that we have successfully installed it as an application. If you don't see any, you can scroll down and look for it. In my case, it is being added here. So you can now close the window and you can now use your Google News in your Windows 11 PC without searching it in the Google Chrome browser. You can simply double tap to it and you can check the latest news for you. Okay? You just have to access the world to see the news about the international, or you can go with local also if you want to check your local news, or you can simply go with the business if you're interested in business and if you want to know about the shareholding, the trading, or any of the topics or news about the business, latest news about it, you can check for it. And if you're interested in technology and if you'd love to know about the latest news about technology, about the latest invention about technology, or about the applications, or about the latest phones, you can access it here. If you want to go with entertainment and if you'd love to hear about the artist that you have idolized, or about the artists that are being or the celebrities that are being featured here in the news, you can know about them. You can also go with sports if you're interested about the sports and if you'd love to hear about what is happening in the sports world, you can check it here. You can also click the three dots here and you can select on science if you'd want to check about the news about science, and you can also check for about the news about health. Okay? So this would basically keep you an up to date about the news in the world internationally, about the business or any of the type or categorized news that you'd love to know or hear about. Okay, so you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.